Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here and run through the trade with you on the 16th day of April 2026. Great to be with you again. The setup is as follows. We've tried twice now to push up and close over the 50 of the day. We have failed. We've created a new stair step short, and we look for our trusted friend, the strong candle indicator, this little triangle pointing down saying, go ahead and take this trade short off of this candle. So that's what we're going to do. So now we have to figure out what targets we're going to use. We look over here at the PVI. I expect the next candle to be somewhere between 120 and 150 ticks in length. Therefore, we'll break out our larger ATM, which will go for 20 tick first targets, 50 tick second runner, and an 100 tick runner after that. And here's how it all went down in the room today. Let's go ahead and we're going to sell off of it. Look for a retrace first. So I really want to make one more push up to the 50. We'll get out of the way here. Wait for that push up. Go ahead and give us a little bit more speed. There you go. That's the look we're looking for. Beautiful. Now we're ready to go. As it gets closer to our closer to picking us up, we have all right. All of our targets got put on, so we're good. Our stop is exactly where it needs to be. You'll notice that when the first target gets hit, we de-risk the trade right away. Now we'll put another order on the screen just in case it comes back and takes us out at break even. Now we can't lose any money, so we'll just let that be. First two targets are out, three contracts are out. Now we're looking to see if our larger 90 tick target can get hit. And with this PVI, I'm sorry, 20s and 50s are out, looking for a 100 tick target, and that's out too. That didn't take very long. Took a total of just over 4 minutes to complete and was worth 970 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 970 US dollars in 4 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. We have all the education you'll ever need, as well as a couple of live trading rooms and and the indicators that nobody else has. So we'll look forward to seeing you soon at SamuraiDayTrading.com. So God bless you, and we'll see you next time.